Today, we're covering 5 quick hidden Excel tricks that will save you time and boost your productivity. Let's jump in. First up, Trick 1. Automatic dropdowns. Pick from drop-down list. Here we have a list of orders we need to assign to specific managers. Normally, you might type each name in one by one, but there's a faster way. Instead, use Excel's hidden built-in dropdown. Here's the shortcut: Alt plus down arrow. That instantly opens a dropdown with all previously entered values in that column. Just hit Enter on the one you want. Done. In this example, we only have 5 names. But check out this other table on the side with many salesperson. When I press Alt plus down arrow here, we get a scrollable dropdown. We can use the arrow keys to move up or down and press Enter to select. No spelling mistakes, no wasted time. Next, Trick 2. Subtotals in seconds. Let's say we want to see the total revenue for each continent in this table. Sure, you could use a SUMIFS formula. Sum range equals revenue column. Criteria range equals continent column. Criteria equals Asia, in quotes. That works, but then you'd have to repeat it for every other continent. Here's the faster way. Sort by continent home tab, sort and filter, A to Z. Now all the Africas are together, all the Asias, all the Europes, etc. Apply subtotals. Go to Data. Subtotal. At each change in equals continent, use function equals sum. You could also choose average, max, etc. Add subtotal to equals revenue. Click OK. Done. You now have Africa total, Asia total, Europe total. Grand total. At the bottom. Control the view with outline buttons. Top left. Click 1, Grand total only. Click 2, Group totals. Click 3, Expand all details. No formulas, no repetition, just instant subtotals. Next, Trick 3. Section breakdown. Auto outline/group. A quick way to collapse and expand groups in your data without manually setting them up. Here's the scenario. And we have a breakdown for laptops, tablets, and smartwatches sales. We want to be able to hide the details and just see the totals, or expand them back instantly. Here's how to do it. Select your data set. Go to Data, Group, then Auto Outline. Excel will automatically figure out where the sections are, grouping all the laptops rows, tablets rows, and smartwatches rows neatly. Now check out the outline level buttons in the top left corner. Click 1 to collapse everything down to high-level totals. Click 2 to expand and see the detailed breakdown. No dragging, no manual grouping. Excel does it all for you. A total game changer if you work with large, structured data sets. Next, Trick 4. Custom lists. File to Options to Advanced. Let's talk about custom lists. Here's the situation. We have a list of country managers with their names. If you find yourself typing the same list over and over again, you can save it as a custom list, so Excel fills it for you automatically. Here's how. Go to File, Options, Advanced. Scroll down to the General section and click Edit Custom Lists. You'll see built-in lists here for weekdays and months. To add your own, Click Import, select your list of country managers, and click Import again. Press OK. OK to save it. Now on a new sheet, just type the first manager's name and drag the fill handle down. Excel will instantly fill in the rest of your saved list in order. It's perfect for product names, store branches, client categories, anything you repeat often. Next, Trick 5. Descriptive Statistics. Data Analysis Tool Pack. Descriptive Statistics. Let's say we want a quick summary of all our revenue values. Average, count, maximum, minimum, standard deviation, and more. Instead of writing a bunch of separate formulas, we can do this in just a few clicks with the Data Analysis Tool Pack. Here's how. Go to Data, Data Analysis. If you don't see the Data Analysis option in the Data tab, you'll need to enable it first. Here's how. Click on File in the top left corner of Excel. Select Options from the menu to open the Excel Options window. In the left-hand panel, click Add-ins. Select Analysis Tool Pack. At the bottom of the window, look for the Manage dropdown. Make sure it says Excel Add-ins, and then click Go. In the Add-ins box that appears, check the box for Analysis Tool Pack. Click OK to confirm. Once that's done, the Data Analysis button will appear under the Data tab, ready for you to use. In the list, choose Descriptive Statistics and click OK. Input Range. Select your revenue column. The quick way, click the first cell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow to select all values. Check Summary Statistics. Output Range. Pick a blank spot on your sheet where you want the results to appear. Click OK. In seconds, you get everything: mean, median, mode, standard error, min, max, and more. If you don't need certain rows, you can just delete them. No formulas, no fuss, just instant insights. And that's it. 5 Excel hacks to save you hours and make you an office wizard. Try them today and see the difference. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.